This brand is made in China and can be purchased directly through their website or Amazon store. The brand features 3-stage air purifiers that are backed by an average warranty that includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. The HvacRepairGuy model includes essential oil pads for aromatherapy and has a 600 square feet coverage area with a 3-speed fan, while the HvacRepairGuy model has a 4-speed fan and a 1,722 square feet coverage area. The D09 model has a 3-speed fan with a 1,345 square feet coverage area, while the HvacRepairGuy model has a 1,740 square feet coverage area. The HvacRepairGuy model has a built-in air quality sensor that can control the fan based on the room's current air quality, which increases the life of the filter and saves you money. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.